Hi, I'm BJ with Inspect and Check. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do a roof inspection with a drone. I always try to walk the roof if it's a low enough pitch. I can get up there, it's safe, it's not wet because of rain or snow. It's always the best way to look at a roof. So I always do what I can to get up on the roof. As great as it is with having the drone, there are a lot of restrictions, unfortunately. So here in the Chicagoland area, we've got O'Hare and Midway International Airports. We have a lot of other little airports scattered around here. So we have a lot of restricted airspace where it may not even let me take off depending on where the home is located. Weather permitting, if it's too windy, if the home has a lot of tree coverage encroaching over the home where it could interfere with the drone or I could get it stuck in the tree, I wouldn't be able to use it. As well as if it's raining or snowing. Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff. It's definitely a fun part of the job, getting to play with all the toys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you're in the Chicagoland area or northern Indiana and you need a home inspector, please give me a call. My number is 773-403-3298.